Welcome to English with Mila and Ethan, where real conversations help you speak real English.
Have you ever answered a simple English question and later realized, wait, was that actually wrong?
Oh, trust me, you're not alone. Today, we're talking about one tiny mistake that millions of English learners make every single day.
And the funny part is, I used to make this mistake too.
Let's see if you're making it as well. All right, Mila. Simple question. What are you doing?
I work from home.
Interesting answer. But I didn't ask, what do you do? I asked, what are you doing?
Wait, aren't those basically the same question?
That's exactly what millions of English learners think. And that's why they keep making the same mistake.
Oh no. Please don't tell me I've been answering this wrong for years.
Maybe, but don't worry. After today's episode, you'll never mix them up again.
Okay. Now I'm actually curious. What's the difference?
All right. Let's not explain it. Let's experience it.
Uh-oh. Whenever you say that, I know I'm about to make another mistake.
Maybe, or maybe you're about to discover something really useful. Ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
Imagine I call you right now. So, you're working right now? Or are you telling me what your job is?
I guess I'm telling you about my job.
Exactly. But I didn't ask about your job. I asked what you were doing at this moment.
Oh, so I should say I'm working from home, not I work from home.
Now you've got it. Okay, my friends, now it's your turn. Don't let Mila answer first. This time, I want you to answer. Ready? You're sitting at home, listening to this podcast. So, what are you doing?
Did you say I'm listening to your podcast? If you did, you're absolutely right.
Exactly. Notice something? You're talking about right now. That's why we use I'm plus verb plus ing. But don't worry about remembering the grammar rule. Instead, remember the situation. If it's happening now, use I'm ing.
You know what's funny? I think I've answered I work from home at least 100 times.
Don't worry, every English teacher has heard that answer. You're officially part of a very large club.
Well, I'm happy to leave that club today.
And I'm happy you're joining the I Sound More Natural in English club instead.
Let's see how fast you are. No overthinking, just answer. Ready? What are you doing?
I'm learning English.
Great. What are you doing?
I'm drinking coffee.
Perfect. One last one. What are you doing?
I'm trying not to make any more English mistakes.
That's the best answer you've given all day. I think you're getting pretty confident now.
I don't think. I know.
Bring it on.
We'll see about that. I'm going to say a sentence. You tell me if it's correct or incorrect. Deal?
Deal. I'm ready.
Round 1. Someone calls you and asks, "What are you doing?" You answer, "I eat breakfast." Correct or incorrect?
A few minutes ago, I would have said correct. But now
No, it should be I'm eating breakfast.
Yes, that's exactly right. Round 2. Next one. What are you doing? I drive to work.
Easy. I'm driving to work.
Whoa, that was fast. You're improving already.
Don't sound so surprised.
All right, my friends, now it's your turn. This time, don't let Mila answer first. Say your answer out loud. Ready? Let's do it. What's wrong with this sentence? I watch your podcast right now.
Did you catch it? The correct answer is I'm watching your podcast right now.
Round 3. Now, here's a tricky one. What if I ask, what do you do? Can I answer, I'm watching TV?
No. Because now you're asking about my job or my usual routine, not what I'm doing at this moment.
Exactly. Now, listen to the difference. What do you do? I work as a graphic designer. What are you doing? I'm designing a logo. See? Same person, different question, different answer.
You know what's funny? If someone asked me, "What are you doing?" and I answered, "I work in a bank," they'd probably think, "Okay, but I meant right now."
Exactly. They might even say, No, I know your job. I mean, what are you doing right now? Here's an easy trick. Whenever you hear, what are you doing? Imagine someone has just turned on a camera. What can they see? Right now. That's your answer.
Oh, I love that. That's actually much easier than memorizing grammar rules.
All right, my friends. One last practice before we finish. Let's say it together. Ready? You're watching us. You're learning. You're smiling. Hopefully. So, what are you doing?
If you said, I'm learning English with Mila and Ethan, you're absolutely right.
Now let's make it a little harder. I'm going to ask quick questions, just like in real life. Answer out loud before Mila does. Ready? Question 1. What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
Question 2. What's your friend doing?
She's cooking dinner.
Question 3.
What's your dad doing?
He's watching TV. Question 4. What are your parents doing?
They're having dinner.
Did you notice the pattern? I'm. He, he's. She, she's. They, they're. Once you learn this pattern, you can answer hundreds of questions naturally. See? You just use the present continuous in a real sentence. That's real English, not memorizing grammar rules. When you stop translating and start answering naturally, that's when your English becomes fluent. What are you doing after we finish recording?
Honestly, I'm going to the grocery store. My fridge is almost empty.
Really? What are you buying?
Let's see. I'm buying milk, some fruit, coffee, and probably a lot of snacks I don't actually need.
That sounds familiar. Every time I go shopping, I'm planning to buy 5 things, but somehow I come home with 15.
Exactly. And then I ask myself, why am I buying cookies again?
So, after shopping, are you cooking tonight?
Yes,
I'm making pasta. Nothing fancy, just something quick and easy. What about you? What are you doing this evening?
I'm meeting a friend for coffee. We haven't seen each other in months, so we're catching up.
That sounds nice. I think everyone needs a good conversation once in a while.
Absolutely. And did you notice something? We just had a normal conversation, but we kept saying things like, I'm going, I'm buying, I'm making, I'm meeting, without even thinking about grammar.
You're right. It actually feels natural now. At the beginning of this episode, I was thinking about every word. Now, I'm just talking.
And that's exactly what we want for you, my friends. Don't try to sound perfect. Just keep speaking. The more real conversations you have, the more natural your English becomes.
Before you go, tell us one thing you're doing today. Maybe you're working, maybe you're studying, or maybe you're just relaxing. We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for spending time with us today, my friends. We hope this conversation helped you feel a little more confident speaking English. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking. Little by little, you'll sound more natural every single day.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, give this video a like. Subscribe to English with Mila and Ethan. And share it with a friend who's learning English too. We'd love to have you join us in our next conversation.
Until next time, take care of yourselves,
Keep smiling.
and most importantly, keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.